Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found a new favorite pair of shoes and I want to tell the world about them. These shoes are so stinking cute. Look how adorable that fringe is. This pair of shoes can go with so many different outfits. I personally love it with dress pants, but they also go really cute with skirts and dresses. My daughter and I wear the same size, and we have both worn these and we love them. She even wore them to Topgolf the other day with some friends, and her outfit was so cute with these shoes, a pair of jeans, and a cardigan. I really like how secure these feel on my feet. The heel fits snugly and you can adjust the top strap so you don't have to worry about these flopping around all day. I also like the extra big chunky sole. Not only are they stylish, but they also have a non-slip, so it makes it easy to walk around on rainy days. They are made of good, strong material, and I love knowing that they're going to last me a good long time despite the abuse my daughter and I will put them through. So if you're looking for a comfortable and adorable pair of shoes to dress up any outfit, then I highly recommend these beautiful shoes from Amazing Cosy. And that's my point of view.